Let's watch this video together.
In case you guys don't know that clippers are making money in this country just for you to clip. Don't worry, I will not say it. Why not cast people off?
In this video, I'm going to show you how clippers take content from the favorite creators and make money from it. You don't have to create your own content. You don't have to sit and face the camera to make videos like the one I'm making here. All you have to do is just go to your favorite content creators, either YouTube page or basically YouTube mostly, get that content, copy the URL, paste it in an AI tool that I'm going to provide for you guys in this video, and then get the clips and then start uploading them on TikTok or X, popularly known as Twitter. All right, so there was a time I showed you guys on how to create a UK TikTok account. This is going to come in handy because if you're going to do this, I advise you to make use of a UK TikTok account. But if you're posting on Twitter, now known as X, I would advise you to monetize your channel first before doing this so that you'll be earning from that. Talking back to TikTok, I'm going to put a video on how to create a UK TikTok account up here, so you can just click it, and I'm going to leave it in the description below. You can just click and learn how to create a UK TikTok account, because this is going to come in very handy in this video. The AI tool that I'm going to be making use of in this video is Reka.ai. All right, I'm going to leave it in the description below. However, if you need me to send it directly to you, just comment AI in the comment section, and I'm going to send it directly to you. Just comment AI in the comment section, and I'm going to send it directly into your inbox. So let's get on to business. So before I proceed, my name is Gerard. I make this to follow tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. So without wasting more time, let's get down to business. The first thing you need to do is come to this URL here. Don't worry, I'm going to leave it in the description below. This Reka.ai. Then you're going to come on try Reka.ai here, and then you're going to sign up and create an account with Reka.ai. I'm going to create this with my Google, just so that I wouldn't waste much time. And I usually create more of my account with Google, so it's really no big deal. So when you create an account, you're going to come to click right here. Then what you need to do next is that you need to go and find your favorite creators YouTube channel. For the sake of this video, making use of Chunks Comics. All right, so we're going to come here, then we're going to copy the URL to his video, then we're going to paste it here. Don't worry, Reka is free. All right, so you don't have to pay for anything. It's completely free. So we're going to click on here, make the magic happen. All right, so we're going to give it a few moments and our video will be ready. And within minutes, our videos are ready. As you can see here, you can see this clips that I've taken from Shanks Comic. So now you can just take this now, create your TikTok account, your UK TikTok account, then start re-uploading these images from here. And before you know it, you should be able to get up to 10,000 followers and be able to monetize it. Or better still, as soon as your account grows and start getting a lot of engagement, you're going to go like a lot of brand deals, and people are going to start paying you to advertise on your TikTok account. Right, so like I said, comment the word AI and I'm going to send this to your DM directly. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that was educative. I hope you learned from me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on the post notification.